Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anglina Dcosta, your men's health advisor. In today's video, I'll be revealing something every senior man should know: 2 powerful pressure points on your manhood that can naturally help you wake up with stronger, harder morning erections and improve overall blood circulation down there. As men grow older, blood flow to the lower body begins to slow, testosterone levels drop, and stress starts to take control. But what if I told you that with the right acupressure technique, you could train your body to restore its natural performance, safely, naturally, and without pills or harmful supplements? In this video, you'll learn the exact location of the 2 male energy points that control blood flow and erection strength, how to apply gentle pressure for just 2 minutes before bed to activate these points, the secret connection between nerve stimulation and testosterone balance, a simple nightly ritual that supports better sleep, stronger performance, and higher confidence in men over 50. If you're over 40 and struggling with fatigue, low energy, or weak erections, this natural technique could be a game changer for you. Watch till the end, because the second point I'll show you is often ignored by most men, yet it's the most effective for long-term performance and vitality. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand why men lose morning erections after 40. As men cross the age of 40, it's completely natural to notice changes in their body, especially when it comes to morning erections. This isn't something to be embarrassed about, it's a signal from your body that your internal balance is shifting. One of the main reasons is a decline in testosterone levels, the key male hormone responsible for energy, mood, and sexual health. After 40, testosterone naturally drops by about 1 to 2% each year. Along with that, blood circulation slows down, making it harder for the body to deliver oxygen-rich blood to the lower regions during sleep. Stress, poor sleep, lack of physical activity, and certain medications can also affect nerve sensitivity and blood vessel flexibility. Over time, these factors reduce spontaneous erections that normally happen during deep sleep cycles. However, the good news is that this can be improved. By focusing on better sleep, balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and simple natural techniques, like acupressure and relaxation practices, men can help restore healthy circulation and hormone balance. Remember, losing morning erections isn't just about aging, it's your body's way of asking for care, rest, and better health habits. Now let's move on to the science behind acupressure and male energy flow. Acupressure is an ancient healing technique rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, and modern science is now uncovering how it truly works. The human body has thousands of tiny energy pathways known as meridians, which connect major organs and regulate blood, hormones, and nerve signals. When these energy lines are blocked, or weakened due to stress, aging, or poor lifestyle, circulation slows down, especially in the lower body, leading to reduced performance and stamina. By gently pressing specific pressure points, we stimulate nerve endings and enhance blood flow to vital organs, including the reproductive system. This process activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body relax, balance hormones, and restore natural function. For men over 40, acupressure helps increase oxygen delivery, improve testosterone levels, and awaken dormant nerve pathways that control erection strength and energy flow. It's a completely safe and drug-free method that supports the body's natural healing ability. Practicing acupressure regularly, especially before bedtime, can help men experience stronger morning energy, deeper sleep, and improved overall wellness. It's about reconnecting your body's inner energy to restore vitality, confidence, and long-term male health naturally and effectively. In this section I will discuss pressure point number 1, blood flow stimulation point. The first pressure point we will focus on is known as the blood flow stimulation point, and it plays a major role in improving circulation to the lower part of the body. This point is located at the base of your pelvic region, just above the inner thigh area. It connects directly to the nerves and blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to your reproductive organs. By applying gentle, rhythmic pressure on this point for about 1 to 2 minutes, each night before bed, you help activate the tiny capillaries that support healthy blood movement. This practice allows fresh, oxygen-rich blood to flow more efficiently through your arteries, which can result in firmer, more consistent morning erections over time. Acupressure on this point also helps reduce tension in the pelvic muscles, improve relaxation, and balance the energy flow between the lower abdomen and the heart. Combined with deep breathing, it enhances overall vitality and promotes better hormone circulation naturally. It's important to be gentle. This isn't about force, but about connection. When performed regularly, this point helps men over 40 regain natural strength, better stamina, and improved confidence, without any pills or harmful side effects. Next, move on to pressure point number 2, nerve and testosterone booster point. The second important acupressure point is called the nerve and testosterone booster point, and it helps restore the body's natural energy and hormone balance. This point is found slightly below the navel, near the lower abdomen area. It's directly linked with the body's endocrine and reproductive systems, the very systems that control testosterone production, energy levels, and overall male vitality. When this point is gently pressed for 1 to 2 minutes, using your fingertips, it stimulates the nerve endings that communicate with the adrenal glands and testes, encouraging a healthy release of natural testosterone. At the same time, it helps calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones like cortisol, and promote a sense of balance and strength. Massaging this point daily supports better blood flow, muscle recovery, and hormonal regulation, all of which are vital for men over 40. It also enhances sensitivity and stamina by improving the body's natural energy flow through the pelvic region. Remember, consistency is key. Practicing this simple technique every night before sleep can help you experience deeper rest, stronger morning energy, and renewed confidence in your overall performance, naturally and safely, without any side effects. Bonus tips for all my viewers watching this video. I will share with you all how to perform the technique safely. Practicing this acupressure technique safely is very important to ensure that you get the full benefits without any discomfort or strain. Begin by finding a quiet, relaxed space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down comfortably and take a few deep breaths to calm your body and mind. Relaxation is key because stress or tension can block energy flow. Start with clean hands and gentle pressure, never use force. Use your fingertips to press the first point, the blood flow stimulation point, near the pelvic base in small circular motions for about 1 minute. You should feel warmth or a light tingling sensation, which means blood flow is activating. Then, move to the second point, located just below your navel, and massage it gently in slow, circular motions for another 1 to 2 minutes. Keep your breathing steady and relaxed. Avoid applying pressure on a full stomach or right after exercise. This technique should always feel soothing, not painful. For best results, practice this routine once daily before bedtime. With regular use, it helps promote better circulation, hormone balance, and natural male energy, all without medication or side effects. So there you have it, viewers. Dr. Anglina Dcosta signing off this video. To achieve lasting results, remember that consistency and lifestyle balance are key. Practice these acupressure techniques daily, eat nutrient-rich foods, stay hydrated, and include light exercise, like walking or stretching, to boost blood flow naturally. Manage stress through meditation or deep breathing, as mental calmness greatly supports physical performance. Avoid smoking, heavy alcohol, and late-night habits that drain your energy. Most importantly, listen to your body and treat it with care. With patience, discipline, and natural healing methods, you can restore strength, confidence, and vitality at any age, safely and naturally. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips, designed especially for seniors. Until next time, take care of yourself, you deserve it. Thanks for watching.